Thokozani emakhosini, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, thokozani nini nonke lenibukela this video. If ulana, that means you have dreamt of a yellow big snake or small snake. It can be yellow and have white as well. I'm sure you're confused with why kahle ngihlala ngiphupha as a snake. Ayingilumi but ngiyayiphupha but iyangithusa, sometimes ngiyayibalekela, iyangilandzela, it's like iyangigijimisa. Understand, I'm so confused, sengihambile tilo tami tilungi, tilo tami tivalekile, ngihlala ngivuka ngabo ma-3 ekuseni ngiyaphaphama ngakuthi kunakalani ngami. I'm so confused. Thokoza, you're at the right place. I'm gonna explain that dream for you, so sit back and relax. Left and also relax. I'm not gonna rush anything because I'm gonna do a part 2. Lena is just kungena so that utokhona ukuthi understand ukuthi lento lena ihamba njani. Thokozani emakhosini. So inyoka le yellow ne, it can be all yellow or yellow and white. So lena inyoka le ngathini, it can be sithunywa sakho sasemandini or idloti lakho lasemandini. Na ngisho sona ngichaza njani, ngichaza ukuthini, lento lena ingahamba ehambe wena ube mprofeti, wena uhambe usebenze ngesimo sane semandi kumbe semthandazo, sekuthandaza, whether you be a bishop or a pastor, a preacher, you start a church, nani, yeah. So lendo lena, don't get me wrong guys, ne, don't get into tihambe tihlukahlukane ngenxa yokuthini lendo naso hamba uyiphethela ngilanta ukhulumisana understand ukuthi kahle wena ubitelwe ngakuphi, because ekuqaleni, because most of the time letino leti atihambi dodwana, so tihamba nebungoma phakathi. So maybe uqale ekuthwaseni and then ugcine esithunyweni, you understand, ugcine esondweni, ugcine so uba umbishop lomkhulu wena uthandazela abantu kube right. So kahle angakuchazela ukuthi no, wena uqala ngala ebuthunyweni but if ubrike kancane ungene ngale bungomeni kancane, because uyogcina uphelele endumbeni kumbe something, kukubo ukuthini bathi wena uyawusebenza njani, isikhwama sakho sikuphetheleni, umsebenzi wakho uyini kahle. So most of the time nakuphupha inyoka le yellow lena, that means unesipho sokuthandaza, unesithunywa sasemandini sokuthandaza sihamba nemandi. So lesithunywa lesi clean kakhulu. Most of the time you can dream of mermaids as well, half men, half sanza umbona futhi ngalana, or ungambona ngalana ayinyoka, kuyahlukahlukana nakhona. So now umbona anglo yellow nakhona urepresenta lesambatho lesiwena uyohamba ngaso, uyosebenza ngaso. So nalo I'm gonna do it on the second video. I don't wanna make this video very long because I'm just like the first one near the black snake. So now umbona a yellow and white nakhona ukutshela ngalesambatho lesiyena bekas lafuna ukuthi wena usimbathe. It can be jazzy, lily yellow and white, or it can be just lily yellow phela, or it can be Nazareta lo, I mean like ijoyina le yellow neduku lakhe lenhlobo lespeaker sakhe nespeaker sakhe lesiyellow, or neduku lakhe le yellow, or it can be all yellow, kuyadependa nakhona. So utohamba akukhombela lapha emaphusheni ukuthi kahle yena ufunani, utawuhamba axoxe nawe ngale mfihlakalo leyo ifuna nini nongithu, ayifuni lomunye umuntu. So tinto letifana naleti na utibona asitinto ukuthi utshelena noma ngibale, just like I have told you guys ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi understand ukuthi lento le ihamba ikuyendani, igijimisa ifika kuphi, iyakuluma na, wenakalani. Because sometimes now we say iyagijimisa, uyibona ukuthi yabo le yangigijimisa, it can be ukuthi maybe solo bakutshela into wena solo awulaleli, solo awuyiyendi, soloko wena awuyendi. And sometimes it can be kuthini uyithole, maybe say uyaphupha and then uyibone lapha emaleni and then udle phasi wena ubaleke and then ikusale move. It's not ukuthi yona it's chasing you, but when it's because you are running, you understand? So when you feel like iyagijimisa, no, maybe there's a message they want to talk to you, they wanna akukhuluma nawe ngakho, you understand? And wena uyabaleka, so fanele mayinini bakusale move. Hey mani, you understand? Hey man, but wena angeke ume because ubona into lengaka iyathusa udla phasi. So always when on your dreams, you're the first one to run away. And you find out ukuthi iyagijimisa la uphelela khona, ayikulumi ayendi next, ayikulumi nakancane. So sometimes ikhuluma limi lo ngal understand ekuqaleni, but ngokuya nitawuhamba in understanding, or at the beginning uthothi vele into takho wena tibebu kahle kamnanzi, iyakhuluma nawe kahle kamnanzi, nivisisane. It's just good sometimes the things that batokutshela tona ukuthi yenda sona ngesikhathi leso sona bese wena uyathuka like no lokhu busathane lokhu no akusebusathane guys. Just ukuthi itingilo sithi vela ngekuhlukahlukana emaphupheni ethu, ivela ngekuhlukahlukana. So ungasabi, just ukuthi they come in those forms to represent the way impilo ingakhona, because sisebenza ngemakhala lo mhlaba lona. Makhala ayakhuluma physically and spiritually, and more especially spiritually. So ungathuki ake uzame ukuthi ni sometimes nawulele uthi so ungene ngale kwemathongo uphupha, ungagijimi, ake ume uyivele into ukuthi iyendani kahle kahle, uke ume nje uthi nsi utitshela ukuthi athi kuthini this time around I'm not running, I want to see ukuthi kahle kahle yini lento le, yini ngani lento lena. So just like I've said guys, into yahlukahlukana kukuye lo mnikati ukuthi ni yena utawuthi wena sipho sakho sihamba njani, you understand? No one can say for sure ukuthi yeah wena uyoba ipreacher lekhulu inani, wena vela uye esontweni uqala sonto lakho liyokhula libe ngaka, uyoba mthandazi wena angawubambe lokunye. No, akudetermining lo mnye umuntu, kudetermine ngilendloti lakho uthi lona lithi uhamba njani. So thokozane emakhosini. Love you guys so much. Bye.